Okay, so we're going to be writing haikus today, but there's one good thing before we start writing the haikus that we have to talk about. Syllables.
What?
A syllable. Yeah, a syllable. Words. Words are made up of syllables. Syllable. What are you doing there? You're clapping. Yep. So syllables kind of break down words from vowels. So for example, if I say the word...
You have heard syllables.
You have? Good. Have we all heard of syllables? No. Okay, so if I say the word red, how many syllables do you think red has? Hold up your fingers.
One.
Red.
Oh, this thing.
Yeah, there we go. Okay, so if I'm going to give you a word. So when
That's two.
That is two. That's correct. That's your favorite word, isn't it? So if I give you a word, when I give words, I want you to clap it out quietly and then hold up your fingers the number of syllables.
Four.
Alright. Well, that's not even one. That's not even an example we're going to do.
What's four?
Sasibaka. So if I say dolphin. Dolphin. Hold up your fingers. Two. Good. Two. How many do you think? Two. Hold up your fingers. Two. Let's see. Let me think of another one. Kangaroo. Kangaroo.
Three.
Do we all agree with three? How about Jack? Jack. One. How about what? Victoria. Four. How about Sophia? Oh, that's a tricky one. Sophia. Three. I didn't trick you, did I? Christian. Christian.
Two.
Crease.
One.
How about Jesse? Jesse.
Two.
Good. Okay, so Jack, I'm going to give you one, okay? So I just want Jack to answer this one. So Jack may not turn in, Crease may not turn into Jack, right? You're not going to turn into Jack today? Okay, thanks. Sweatshirt.
Now I'm going to turn it down.
You're holding up two. Sweatshirt. Would you like a chance now? Let's see. Let me think of one. Bowling.
Bowling.
How many?
Two.
Sophia. I'm trying to think of, let me think. Flower. Two. All right, Christian. Bottle. Very good. I can't trick you guys, can I? Should I try and trick you?
Yes.
What about supercalifragilisticexpialidocious?
What?
Okay.
Wait, say it again.
Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
That's like 11.
I'm just kidding, you don't have to do that one.
That's like 11.
That's a lot.
Like 11. Yeah, 10.
I'm just kidding, you don't have to do that one.
11 or 12.
How about, trying to think. What else? Someone give me a word. Jack, give me a word. I'll clap it. You give me a word. Any word you want. What do you think? Do you want me to come back to you?
Oh,
Hey, John, can I have a word? Tell me any word. What would you like? Dinosaur?
Wow.
Dinosaur? Dinosaur. Chris, how many syllables in dinosaur?
Dinosaur. Three.
Good. Let's see. Now you give me a word. Other than Sasibaka. Okay, you're not going to say that. Thanks. John. You're fine.
Science.
Scientist. Okay, how about that one? Figure it out and hold up your fingers. Scientist.
That's three.
Three. Give me a word. Sophia. What
Um,
was a good one?
right. Wait, I got a word.
Okay.
Now I forgot. Wait, come back to me.
I'll come back to you. Christian, any word. At least, I mean, maybe not supercalifragilisticexpialidocious, but any other word.
What?
What do you think? Outer space. Okay, so I think that's it's a combination. Let's do outer first. So outer.
Space.
Well, two, and then space.
Three.
Oh,
Okay.
but all together.
Out of together it would be 3, but
It's like saying happy birthday.
right. It's 2 separate words. How about birthday? 2. So why do you think? I have a question. Some of you have written haikus before. Why do you think we're doing this this syllable practice? Why do we think, Sophia?
Because you want us to learn how to talk.
Well, we do know how to talk, but there's a connection between haikus and syllables.
Does this combine sign language?
Not sign language. Do we have any guess? Jeff, what do you think? Why do we think there's a connection between haikus and syllables? Okay, so I wrote some examples on the board. Now, I wrote a few haikus. I wrote one about Earth Day, since Earth Day is tomorrow. We will be celebrating by planting plants. And we read about Earth Day this past week, and I wrote about my spring break. So which one do you want me to read first?
Spring break.
This is way too much shopping.
Yeah, that's what's part of my spring break. I'll read spring break. So my spring break. So it says, way too much shopping, relaxing in the warm sun, cooking lots of food. Now there's something very special about each individual line. So line 1, so this is line 1. This is line 2, and this is line 3. So I have a question for you. How many syllables are in the word way? 1. How about 2?
1.
Much?
1.
Shopping.
1.
Oh,
2.
shopping.
2.
Okay, so now we got to do a little math here.
Wait,
What's 1 plus 1?
2.
2. Jack, what's 2 plus 1?
5.
And then 3 plus 2 is?
5.
So in this first line, there are 5 syllables. Let's go to the next one. The next line is relaxing in the warm sun. How many syllables in relaxing? Hold your fingers up. What do you think?
Relax.
You are relaxing at your desk right now.
2 syllables.
Can I move my feet?
What?
Can I move my feet?
Oh yeah, you can move up. That's fine. Relaxing.
3.
3. In. Thank you, Jack. 1. Christian, how about the? How many syllables in the?
1.
Warm.
1.
Sun.
1.
Very good. So how many syllables in total do we have in this line?
I get to the math. 7.
7.
7. Okay, so
Yeah.
this line has 7 syllables.
Damn.
Okay. And then how about the last line? Cooking. Jack?
2.
Oh.
Cooking.
2. How about lots
1.
of
1.
food?
1.
How many syllables?
5.
5. Do we see a pattern here?
5. 7. 5. 7.
Oops.
5. 7. 5.
Yep, 5, 7, 5. So that's kind of how haikus work. Any haiku you write, it will have, the first line will have 5 syllables, the second line will have 7, and the third line has 5. And sometimes it's a little bit of a process, because you think of these really good...
We got a 10. We got a tent and a marshmallow. Got a tent and a
You go
marshmallow.
first.
And a matches and a match.
Are you going to write a haiku about camping?
And a matches and a matches and a matches and a match. And a match.
Is that what your poem's going to be about? Camping?
And a match.
Okay, so I wrote another one about Earth Day, and I wrote about Earth Day because, hey Sophia,
Yeah.
am I just boring you with my haiku talk?
No,
No?
I'm awake.
Oh, okay. Okay, so
Oh, I know what the
Earth is beautiful. What do we think?
And my
Should it have 5? Well, can you check? How many syllables does Earth have?
1.
Is.
It has 5.
And beautiful?
5. I got the 5.
Clap out beautiful for me, Crease.
baby day.
That was good timing. Synchronous. 3. So this has 5, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I counted that in my head.
That's good. I like to be in nature. Figure that one out.
My baby
That's
day,
okay.
my sleep, my sleep, my sleep, my sleeping
Yeah, that's
bag. My
That has
bed,
7?
my sleeping bag, my fan, and my fan.
You have a lot to talk about right now. Do you want to write about it in haiku with Miss Bates later? Yes or no?
And
Do you want
my-
to write about camping later?
And my galactic gay, and my Super Grover 2.0 comic book.
Wow! Oh, I can't wait to write this haiku with you. That'll be really fun. Okay, so I like to be in nature. How many does that have?
20.
Does it have
No.
20? No.
And
Are you sure?
I got my
Nature.
scissors.
So I is
I got
One.
Like?
my
2.
scissors
I mean
and
1.
my
2.
Scissors and
One.
my two
Sophia, B.
One.
1. In. Nature. Good.
And Rocco.
You really have a lot to say right now, don't you?
I got my scissors and my guitar and my
How about this last line? So wait, 1 plus 1 is?
2.
Plus 1 more.
3.
Plus 1 more.
4.
Plus 1 more.
5.
6, 7. Woof, Miss Bates is doing good. How about let's spend time outside?
1.
5. That's 5.
1, let's spend 1 time 1 outside.
2.
And that makes
said all of
Five.
them.
guitar and my
cut. Okay, so we're going to have 3 topics.
and
Oh, you have to write, please. This is what my plan is. We're going to write our haikus on scrap
and
paper.
my guitar
Oh
and
my gosh, you have so much to say. And then we're going to type it up. And then tomorrow after we plant, or you can write it on your whiteboard if you want. And then after we plant our plants, we're going to maybe like make flowers or earths, whatever topic we want to do. And we're going to hang it up in our classroom. Lovely. Okay. So you have 3 topics you can pick from. Spring break.
When will we grow lettuce?
We're going to grow lettuce tomorrow, but first we have to write our haikus. We can write about your spring break. Sophia.
Oh,
Thank you. Earth Day.
Birthday.
Or just spring in general. So I have one more. I'm going to write one with you to show you kind of the process, okay?
Summer.
Well, it's not quite summer yet. That's why I was kind of thinking of themes, like maybe around summer we can write a summer one. We can just write we've written like Christmas ones. Do you want me? I'm going to give you the option. Do you want me to write a haiku with you and give you an example? Or do you want to try it out on your own?
Right.
Vote. Raise your hand if you want me to write my own with you. Okay, this is gonna be a tiebreaker. Raise your hand if you want to try it out on your own. I have a no voter.
the monsters in the trees.
Mr. Kreese.
The monsters in the trees.
Do you want to try it out on your own, or do you want me to do an example with you?
The monsters.
What do you think?
I can't think of anything.
Well, I'll help you.
Now I hate.
Well, we can try.
Goodness
Okay.
sake.
Well, why don't we all try it on our own, and then if we need to come back as a group, we can come back as a group. Okay. Okay. So can you? Do you want someone to write down your ideas and then you type it? Okay. You want to do Spanish first?
What? No, I need
Okay.
Spanish first.
I'll just give you like a piece of scrap paper because it's planning out a haiku. It takes some time. It takes some tries. You're not gonna get it the first time. Like trust me, when I was writing these, I was like clapping out my songs at my house and trying to figure out what will work. So I'm just gonna give you guys scrap paper. Yeah, pencils. So, first I want you to write on your paper your name, and then what topic that you want to write about. You could write about your spring break. You could write about, do you have your pencil with you? We'll help you. So write some ideas down on your paper.
Oh my. Oh no.
I'm going outside. Okay. John, I will write a haiku with you later, okay? Yes?
Yes.
Okay, I want you to, are you going to write about camping in the spring?
Yes.
Okay.
You okay?
Alright, Miss Gilsky, okay, so, I think we're all set. So, Chris, you're going to write it on your paper? So which one do you want, what topic do you want to write?